Dr. Jaffe, in your opinion, is using an air fryer better than using a microwave to cook food?
I would never cook in a microwave oven. I might use a microwave to warm the plates, but that would be all. Yes, we do have an air fryer, and yes, I enjoy using it. It's a little it requires a little bit of attention to do it properly, but you get nutritious, delicious, oil-free food, and I recommend an air fryer as an option, or have good cookware and a stove. That's an option. But microwave? No. Just say no to microwave cooking. It's convenient, but it causes molecular rearrangements that over time are harmful to you. This was taught to me by Beatrice Hunter in the 1970s. I have verified it since with a number of electromagnetic experts. So the answer is air fryer, an option. Microwave oven, not for cooking, just for warming plates.